Good afternoon, guys. I hope you're doing fine, guys. I'm back and I have my chicken here. I have two big pieces, and let's get started and make our yummy chicken, guys. I am washing it. I'll put one here. These are really big pieces. Big pieces, guys. Get our sauce, guys. Is our sauce for our yummy chicken, guys. Guys, we have some salt, we got our garlic powder. I'm putting everything in here. This is a good recipe, guys. Lemon pepper, I love it. We have the onion, we are using a little bit of parsley. Here we are mixing it, guys. This recipe is the best, guys. I love it. And we are baking at 350. Guys, let's bake our chicken. Looks really good. This is how it looks like, and let's put it in the oven. So guys, our chicken is done. I'm going to taste it. Look at this, guys. It has some stew. Looks really good. Looks yummy. And I'm going to try it out, guys. Looks yummy. Looks good. Has some stew, some gravy. Look at that gravy too, guys. This is our yummy chicken, guys. I'll take a taste. Looks good. Ooh. Looks yummy, guys. Look at this. Yummy.